Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Astro Arena 3 versus 3 MOBA game not working, not opening, keep stopping or not starting problem on Android phones. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. So the first fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your device, and once your device restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for Astro Arena app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Astro Arena and then tap on it, and if you find any updates available for this app, then update it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check, and if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot, and then check Astro Arena app is working or not. Solution 4 is to force stop Astro Arena app. So tap and hold Astro Arena app and then click on app info. Then tap on force stop and confirm it. Then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to also clear the Astro Arena app cache. So again tap and hold the Astro Arena app icon, then click on app info. Then tap on storage usage and then tap on clear cache and confirm it. Then go back, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then also tap on clear data. But please take a note, clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold the Astro Arena app icon, then click on app info, then go to the battery usage and then check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Express VPN, Norton VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Nord VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then connect to VPN app and select different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Astro Arena app. So tap and hold Astro Arena app icon, then click on app info, then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall to confirm. Then just restart your device, and once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Astro Arena and then tap on it, and then click on install button to reinstall it. And once this Astro Arena game get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you must check the Astro Arena server status, and if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outage, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Astro Arena app not working, not opening, keep stopping or not starting problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.